You can tell me by putting it on Facebook, Sirius XM, the message. They say sometimes you win some, sometimes you lose some. And right now, stood on this stage night after night, reminding the broken it'll be alright. But right now, oh right now, I just can't see. Emergency, what are you reporting?
I was just in a car accident on 50th Street West and Avenue L.
Is anyone hurt?
I'm not hurt. I don't know about the other person.
Hold on 1 second, please. And can you give me the vehicle descriptions, please?
My car is a Ford Focus 2015 black.
What color?
Black.
Okay.
The other one's a Scion XD black.
Are you blocking traffic?
No, we're actually both on the other ends of the street. I'm on the south side and he's on the north side.
Okay, are you in front of a place of business or anything?
Oh, shoot. Hello? Oh, hello. I'm sorry. Hello? We're by Bruce Hailstone.